Welcome to my Maltese experience. Let's start exploring. I'm now making my way to Grandmaster Hotel. That's kind of like my orientation spot. I'm spending today in Valletta. I'm only in Malta for 3 days. Tomorrow's gonna be my only full day, so I'm gonna try to make the most of it. And we're gonna enjoy some sunny walks because it's freezing in the UK right now. So far, great experience. Relatively short flight from Stansted in London to Malta International Airport. I'll be showing you the hotel later, and I'll be showing you my favorite things to do in Valletta. This is the Grandmaster courtyard. It's a historic building turned cultural commercial site. I absolutely love the Gothic arcades and all of the sculptures in the stone. Here's the entrance here to the National Library, which I'm tempted to visit. I just got the flyer with some information, and it says here that the National Library of Malta was designed by Stefano Itar between 1724 and 1790 to house the collections of books and valuables belonging to the Order of St. John. Going up the stairs after the hill. Among them were those left by deceased knights according to a decree issued in 1555. The founder of the library was Knight of Malta, Bali Fra Gian Louis Guerin de Tenzin, who on his death in 1766 left an estimated 9,700 volume collection of books. From then on, the library continues to be enriched by priceless collections. I'm on a street with some luxury boutiques. I'm making my way now to the market for a bite to eat. Malta's capital city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's known for its Baroque architecture. Just to my right, we have Isuk Talbel Valletta Food Market. It's very interesting. It's covered, although they have spaces outside. Now I can't decide if I want to stay here or eat on one of the streets I just passed by. Let's have a look what they have to offer. Level 1, that means there's more than one level. The national dish of Malta is considered to be stufata al fenech, a slow-cooked rabbit stew simmered in a rich tomato and red wine sauce with garlic, of course. It's a heartful and flavorful dish, but don't take my word for it because I've not had the courage to try it. Instead, I went for another traditional dish, the bracioli. If you love beef, this is perfect for you. These are beef olives where thin slices of beef are rolled up with savory stuffing and simmered in a flavorful sauce. It's a very versatile dish served hot or cold and can be enjoyed on its own or as an accompaniment. So far, I'm loving the Maltese food. Anything that's a stew, that's saucy, has garlic and tomato sauce, I'm in. I am now at St. John Cathedral. This ornate cathedral is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is considered one of the most beautiful churches in Europe. The interior is lavishly decorated with marble, gold leaf, and paintings by Caravaggio. less touristy time, but I found prices to be quite reasonable, and during happy hour you can get 2 Aperol Spritz for €8. If you're looking for traditional meals, you're in luck. A lot of restaurants in Valletta serve authentic Maltese cuisine. If you're looking for a good deal though, the market has amazing prices. I got a main course there for 14, whether on just 2 minutes away on the most popular touristy streets it was €25 for a main course. So I'm in luck. I believe that I've just had the best pistachio ice cream I've ever had. Pistachio is my go-to flavor. It's definitely been gaining popularity lately, so it's easier to find it. However, it's hard to find good pistachio ice cream because I feel like sometimes it has so many chemicals and sugar that it doesn't even taste like pistachio anymore. But I've had the best one. I think better than I've had in Italy, better than I have had anywhere else. Not only it had pieces of pistachio in it, it wasn't overly sweet, and it tasted like pistachio. It was amazing. I'm now on my way to see the upper Barrakka Gardens, and as you can tell, most of Valletta is up and down the hill, but trust me, the views are going to be worth it. These public gardens offer stunning views of the Grand Harbour and the 3 cities. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The story begins in 1661 when the gardens were created as a private retreat for the Knights of St. John, specifically the Italian Lang, a group based on nationality and language. These knights resided in inns located close by, and the garden served as a place for leisure and exercise. In 1775, public access was restricted. Following the priest's revolt in 1775, the Grandmaster, the Knights' leader, suspected conspirators might be using the shaded areas within the garden for secret meetings. So in response, he ordered the removal of the roof initially, built over the arches at the end of the gardens, and eliminating those shady spots. Visitors can admire the breathtaking panoramic views of the Grand Harbour and the 3 cities along the historical architecture and monuments within the gardens. In the 1800s, it opens up to the public. With the French occupation of Malta ending in 1800s, the Upper Barrakka Gardens finally opened its gates to the Maltese public. This marked a shift from a private haven for the knights to a public space for all to enjoy. I'm now at the Saluting Battery, located at the Upper Barrakka Gardens, where the cannons are fired daily in the afternoon, a tradition that dates back to the 18th century. If you like this video, subscribe for part 2, where I will be exploring Gozo and Comino Islands. See you next time.